What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable the social sharing inline buttons into your WordPress blog posts into a simple, fast, effective, and really interesting method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, on your browser address bar, enter with for your domain plus wp-admin, enter with username and password, review the left side of menus, and hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is Social Share, the Search Plugins option. Click and type WP Dark Mode. Right here we have the WP Dark Mode. This is a very interesting plugin that gains a new feature called Social Share. And it's basically one of my favorites because it's simple and useful. As soon as you enable this plugin, you save your eyes so you can see the site into the dark mode, but of course you can disable this in the case that you want, okay? And after review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, into WP Dark Mode we have Settings, Social Share, Get Started, and Recommended Plugins. Go to Social Share. Right here you can select the social media that you would like to have. We have Pinterest, X, Reddit. You can customize how it's gonna looks like. You can change the display order. You can change the name in the case that you want. And all you have to do is set the button to enable. There is an option to customize in the case that you want. To change the alignment, the colors. After doing your changes, all you have to do is hit the save change to publish, okay? And all the posts gonna have into the bottom, into the end of the post, the share options to buttons that links to social media or copy the content to share on other social medias. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.